So now that you know how to use query builders, let's just move ahead and start using our module, because that's a more traditional way of using Laravel. Nobody actually use query builder unless they're going to do something specific. So right here, I'm just going to create a new model for our category. So the model will be controlling the categories, which is a more traditional way of doing things in Laravel. So let's just go ahead now and create the model, and let's just say PHP artisan make model, and this will be category. So by convention, Laravel knows this category model controls the categories table because of the name that we're giving to it. So let's just go ahead and go into this category module that we just created. So you can find this inside the app and inside the modules, and you can see the categories right here. Now all we just need to do is import this category in our controller. So let's go ahead and create a new controller that will control the all what we're going to be doing pertaining to the category. So let's just say PHP artisan make controller, and this will be the category controller. So hopefully all this makes sense to you. And right here, let's just go ahead and close all this. And what we can do now is just go and create a new post method. This will actually post our method. So we can actually create a form for this. We can create a form for this that we actually save this, or we can do it the way we did the query builder, where we use dummy data. So for now, we're going to be using a dummy data. So let's just go ahead and create a get request, and this will be let's just give it category / add. So right here, what we want to do is use the category controller that we created. So this will be category, and this will be class. And right here, we just want to say this should be add. So it all depends on you, on the names you decide to give your model. It all totally depends on you. So let's go over to add, and right here, let's just create the method. So this will be a public function, and this will be add. And right here, we want to create a new instance of the category model. So this will be $ category, and this will be new category. So that as import the class. And right here, we want to say $category name is equal to class. Let's just say class, and let's just say $category description is going to be description for class. And all what we just need to do is call the save method, and this will be $category, and this will be save. So this is all we need to do when we actually posting data into our table using Eloquent. So let's just go ahead and run this, and if I should come over to this route right here, and let's just open that route, and right here let's just do paste this, and we're not getting any error, which is another sign of which is a good sign actually. So let's just go over ahead and refresh this, and you can see we have the second record right here. So this is actually a more suitable way of doing this, and you can see this has already added the created art and updated art. And if you notice, for our query builder, we don't have the created art and updated art, so we have to set that manually if we're using query builder. But for Eloquent, that has actually given us a nice convention to actually do this. So it all depends on you. Make your choice if you want to keep using Eloquent, if you want to keep using Query Builder. It all depends on your choice. So they both do the same thing, but Eloquent just make it easy for you to actually uh, interact with your database and your tables and the rest of it. So in next video, I'll show you more on request, because there's actually a lot going on request. So I'll show you more about request in the next video. I'll see you guys.